Okay, so this video is about the ZTE Nubia Z30 Pro, which has been launched in China, and the key features of this phone is 144Hz screen refresh rate, 120Hz super fast charging, and a quad rear camera setup. They sound pretty good, but isn't it value for money or 2021 flagship models? You will find your answer in this video, so without anything further to do, let's get started the video.
You're a superhero.
Okay, the first things I like about this phone is display and design. The phone features a curved display with slim bezels on top and bottom. There is a hole for punch hole cutout, and the back panel houses a quad camera setup. Nubia Z30 Pro has a 3D Nubia logo on the back placed next to the camera module, giving the phone a unique look. And the phone camera's module is just look like the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Ultra camera module. I don't know, but it's your question. The Nubia Z30 Pro has a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, and the display aspect ratio is 20:9 ratio. And the coolest things about the display is it supported 144Hz screen refresh rate. There are some other features like 100% DCI P3 color space and SGS Low Blue Light Eye Care certification. And the dimension of the phone is 161.83 into 73.01 into 8.5 mm, and the weight is 198 grams. So this is a flagship phone, so we could hardware performances would be good. And yes, we got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor with 6 gigs of UFS LPDDR5 RAM and 512 gigs of UFS 3.1 storage. So we think this performance will be better, and just like the other flagship phones in the market available now. For taking photos and video, this phone is totally worthy. We get a 64 megapixel primary lens which supported OIS feature, and a 64 megapixel ultra wide lens which has a 128-degree world view. And another thing I like that this phone also comes with OIS features, and just like other phones in flagship segment, I think this is an upgraded phone. And the ZTE improving their camera in last few years back to them, and we got a 6 megapixel 64 megapixel plus 8 megapixel macro lens with the OIS feature. I don't find any information about the selfie shooters, but the selfie camera supported 4K video recording system. So now let's talk about the other features that Nubia Z30 Pro has provided us. Just like it's a 5G phone, so we get a 5G connectivity and the Wi-Fi dual Wi-Fi band 6.1. I like that this phone also comes with the in-display fingerprint sensor, USB Type-C port, and other gyroscope sensor and accelerometer sensor that we just seen on other phones. So the Nubia Z30 Pro is powered by a 4200 mAh batteries, and the awesome things about that, this is the first phone that comes with the 120Hz 120 watt fast charging. Oh, this is awesome thing that I found on this phone. So the phone will be fully charged in just 15 minutes. So you will get a good battery backup with a good fast charging. And in terms of this flagship segment, I think there's a non-phone that are giving you this same specification in charging and the battery. So quite everything is look good in the Nubia Z30 Pro. But how about its price? Yes, the price is about the base variant 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage is 5,000 Chinese yuan. If I convert it to the US dollar, then it will be 800 US dollar. So I think this is very cheaper phone in the flagship segment if you compare to the Samsung S20 Ultra, Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, or even the OnePlus 9 Pro. Okay, so that was the video about the Nubia Z30 Pro. So what is about my conclusion and ended up with the video? Okay, if you look back to the competitors in this price segment, then you will see the OnePlus 9 Pro or even Samsung S20 Ultra, or you can say the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Everyone are doing great, but this phone also comes with a very good configuration if you look back to the processor, camera, or even the battery, which has a 120 watt fast charging, and the battery is 4200. And the processor is also just like the flagship processor. And the coolest things about this is the upgraded camera. If you look back to the Xiaomi or Samsung, then this is upgraded camera, and here is some samples of the camera you can look through. So quite interesting, and that's for today video. If you enjoy the video, please hit the video to your friends and click on the subscribe button and subscribe this channel, and it's take too much time for me to make this.